Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to craft a furnace in Hytale. So as you can see, I picked up some stones. You can go ahead and mine these stones, and you can get any type of stone first. And once you have these stones and you have some tree trunks, what I want you to do is go ahead and press tab on your keyboard to go ahead and open up pocket crafting. And then first, what I need you to do is I need you to go ahead and craft a workbench. So you come click here, click on craft to have your workbench. You just need any tree trunk and any stone. And once you have your workbench, I want you to just go to your workbench, press F to open it up, and then I want you to just click on this icon right here. This will let you choose the furnace option, and you just need 6 of any tree trunks and 6 of any stone, and then you just click here on craft, and as you can see, our furnace is now crafting. And I'll go ahead and just place this right here, and as you can see, we have a furnace. And that is how to craft a furnace in Hytale. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It helps me out as well.